Hey guys, welcome to one more vlog about the student life in Borås. Today I'm here in a forest. It's a really beautiful day, it's a really nice weather, and I want to show you guys that here in Sweden, the cool thing about it is that everything is really close to the nature. The city is really close to the forest. Like from here, if you walk 5 minutes, you'll go through a building, a lot of buildings. It's called Gatan, and it's where students live normally. So it's a really nice backyard, so to say. So I'm gonna show you Shepherd Garden. We are going there now. It's 2 kilometers from here, and it's a lake. So it's a nice walk and yeah, it's fun. So let's go. I'm gonna show you a little bit. Hey! So when you're studying pretty hard and you just want to relax and unwind, you can come to the forest, which is really silent and peaceful and safe. So it's a nice thing to do, especially when it's amazing weather like today. Nice thing about here in Sweden is that you can really show the 4 seasons, the difference between them. Like now is autumn, so as you can see is red and yellow, all the leaves. In Swedish is höst. Is that right? Yeah. Höst. Yeah. So we are close to Shepherd Garden now, so we need to walk that way and then we get to the lake. We are really close to the lake now, it's right there. So let's go! It's a pretty good place to be and to relax. This that I showed is just a part of everything, because it's much better the experience. It's like perfect to be here. Okay, thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Okay, bye. Hey, dude.